Hi everyone, my name is Julie Connor Lindy. My company for the class was called Bread for Education. Please excuse me for speaking fast, but 3 minutes seems like a really short time to show off what we used in order to make our class successful. So here we go. Mine was a one-for-one deal. I think that my homepage was the most visited according to Google Analytics, so it was important to me that it was attractive and I really liked it. So there you go. We had our little shop where you could buy our products. The terms and conditions was important because I wanted to make sure everybody understood I would not be shipping. I was only delivering within my area. So, but I thought that a lot of people in America would want to contribute since it was a one-for-one deal. And in the end, the majority of my sales came from outside this area. So I thought that was an interesting thing. And with every sale, I called them and made sure that they understood what was going on, just in case they weren't reading the website and were just kind of like, oh, I'll buy bread. So that was important. I also had a message at checkout letting them know where exactly it was going. So for my behind the scenes, I had WordPress. I love WordPress. I would highly recommend it. It has a lot of awesome plugins. One of these is WooCommerce, which really was super helpful in, getting out sales. So I thought that was really excellent. They have coupons that you can add. It's just a really easy, watered down way of getting your website-based business up and running. So I used AdWords a lot. I think I used AdWords more than I used pretty much anything else in this class. So for my keywords, one thing I recognized by using the Google AdWords is just how useless anything past 2 words is. As you can see, I got 62 impressions with banana bread. I got over 1,700 with the word bakery, and with the word bread, I got almost 2,500 impressions. So clearly this was not, it's more important to have simple keywords that are relevant to your website than it is to have anything else. So with ads and extensions, I added this last and it got the most views. And that was because I just took all the words from the keywords that were the best and that were performing the best, and I added them in there. So I think that's important to note for anyone entering the class. I also used Google Analytics, and that was super helpful because it showed behavior. It showed where people were visiting the most. So I improved my homepage about halfway through the whole thing because I thought it was the most important because the most people were seeing it. And that was kind of when people started, as you can see, it was when people started going a little bit further into the website. I didn't have as many people go further into the website until that point. So I thought that was really important. These were the tools that I used. I really appreciated the class. I appreciated you all coming along with me in it, and I hope that you had a great semester with me too.